In this video, we are going to know how to propagate spider plant by division. This is the most easiest way to propagate spider plant that you can also do. Some points are very important that you should know before dividing your spider plant. So let's talk about them. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Spider plant is an easy to grow, low maintenance indoor plant. It is also very easy to propagate. Mostly we grow them from their babies that grow on such type of a branch after the flowering. Spider plant produces flowers in the spring season, and after that you must find these type of baby plants on these branches. But we can also propagate our spider plants in another way that also works great, especially when you are a beginner. This method is easier because the propagated plants already have a root structure that helps a lot. Under the soil the roots produces multiple outlets time to time. Here you can see, this spider plant have multiple small plants that are connected to one another through their roots inside the soil. We just have to divide this mother spider plant into multiple plants and put them in separate containers with a good quality soil mix. The most beneficial thing in this method is that the divided spider plants already have roots, and a baby plant with an existing root system becomes even more easy to grow. Follow this method and get multiple plants from your single spider plant. First thing to do is to keep your spider plant in a well-lit area for some weeks, and water very carefully. Then it will show you these type of multiple branches or pups that are growing outward. Let them grow for some days. To get more and more these spider plant pups, you can add a fertilizer that boost up this process. A phosphorus-enriched fertilizer works perfect for spider plants. The best fertilizer for indoor plants is added in the description box, and on our website 𝑘𝙝𝙪𝙧𝙨. You can check out that later. When the plant have 2 to 4 outlets, you can divide them into multiple spider plants. But keep in mind that spider plant propagation can't works well if the winter season is going on. You can divide them in the spring days when the temperature is moderate. Take such type of a tool and take the spider plant's root bowl out of the pot very carefully. Now we just have to break these pups with a gentle force. Don't get panic, slightly split them into 2. Now both of them are separate plants. These pups can also grow if they don't have roots, you just have to be more careful while watering. It's time to prepare a soil mix for them. I am using a mix of vermicompost, Cocopeat, and river sand. This mixture is best to use on spider plants. You can buy all of these ingredients from the description box links. You can take any container to grow these baby plants, it's your choice. Fill the pot about a half and place the newly propagated spider plant into it. Add soil around it and press it gently. Add some water into its soil, don't add too much moisture, it can cause root rot problem, so be careful. And place this plant in a shade for some days. Don't place it in direct sunlight, otherwise the transplant shock must kill it. You can divide your spider plants in the evening, because the temperature is cooler at that time. Within some days, these propagated spider plants also keeps on growing. So this is the spider plant propagation method. This way you can make hundreds of spider plants every year. Spider plant propagation is insanely easy if you follow up this method. The same article on this topic is also added in the description box, you can check out that. After the dividing process, some of spider plant tips turns brown, that is completely normal. It's just due to the shock, but for other reasons of spider plant brown tips, you can check out this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.